This is a GBX155. So when I press the power button, you can see the flashlight. You can see that light is flashing, but nothing else. So this is a 3.3 regulator. You can see here is a 7533. This is 3.3 regulator, 7533. And this one is a 7550. That's 5-volt regulator. So these regulators, they have one trace. That's how they get the voltage. And so where this one is connected, that's the question. Or where this one is get the voltage. So usually there is a couple in the GB150 we have couple diodes, and the transistor that's giving the voltage to these regulators. So let's see, we disconnect the charger and okay, let's see where the voltage of this one comes from. So we have a diode right here. No, that's not. Let me disconnect the battery, because in the diode mode we are reading the voltage in that diode too. So let's see. So here 0.5. Okay, we have a connection to this transistor. Okay. No connection here. So basically, we have a connection from here to this transistor. All right, let's plug it. Connect the ground from these capacitors, and we see how much we have right here. We have 7.8. It's the same voltage as here. 7.8. So how much we have in this diode? 7.8. How much we have here? 7.8. How much we have here? 8. So okay, so that's the input voltage is a 8 volt. And the output of the diode is a 7.8. It's go to this transistor. 7.8. The output of this transistor is a 7.8. So yeah, I don't think it's nothing wrong with this one or this diode, because we are giving a low volt here. Of course we are going to have a low volt here. But why here we have 8 volt? That's the question. Because in the battery 8.5. 6 volt. That's a negative terminal of the battery. So 6 volt here. I'm connecting to the negative side of this capacitor. To the negative side of the battery should be 0 volt. We shouldn't have a 6 volt. And here we should have 15 volt, the battery voltage. Okay, from here we have 15 volt. The power, that's why. Why is that? Okay, from the negative side of these capacitors to the positive side of the battery, we need to have 15 volt. We have 8.6, the same voltage as we have in this diode. Okay, if I connect, so let's do something else. If I use this terminal of the battery, the negative side of the battery, or this big pad right here, if we use it to that diode, we have 15 volt. Okay, so if we use this ground to here, we have 15 volt. To here we have 14 volt. That's good. But if we use the ground from these capacitors to here, 7.8. All right. So if we use the ground from the battery connector, we have 15 volt. If we use the ground from somewhere in the board, anywhere, like let's say any capacitors, not just that ones. Let's try maybe these capacitors right here. We have 8.6. So from this capacitor to the input of this diode, 8.6. From the battery ground to this diode is a 15 volt. And you can see here the battery is 16 volt somewhere here. So could be the two grounds are not connected. Let's see. Okay, from the battery connector or this point, I think it was this side of the capacitor, to here, it's not connected. You can see it's not connected. All right, let's do something else. I'm gonna jump that ground to here. I'm gonna jump that ground to here. The device is turns on. gonna jam this ground. Yeah, so we jam this one to this capacitor. Here the device turns on. You can see it is a 75%. Okay. Let's follow that ground. In case if we can't find it, if we can't find the problem, we are going to just do a jumper. Could be a broken trace. Okay, so here 0 ohm to here 0 ohm, and we have a big trace right here. I can see it. Is go to this resistor 0 ohm, oh, I think I did see that. It's nothing. From here to here is open. That is 9 kilo ohm. We need a 0. This is 0.07 ohm. Okay, let me find the replacement resistor and we put it. Hopefully this will fix the problem. Yeah, I'm going to use this. This is a low ohm resistor. It's a fuse resistor. The other one, it should be a fuse resistor as well. It's right sensor on it, but it should be just a fuse resistor. This resistor is a 0.07 ohm. Alright, let's plug it now. And so let's see. So we are going to check from the positive side of the battery to this resistor, this side. $15 the other side, 15 volt. Already I did see the device is on. You can see the lights over there. And if we check from the negative side of the battery to this side, we have 14 volt. So the input of the regulator, we have 15 volt. Or 14 point something, because this is a Zener diode. Is taking some, should be 15 here and 14 something here. Yeah, you can see the light, and if we press the boosting button, it works. Flashlight works good now, it's no more. And let's check the amp meter, the charging. You can see it's a 14 volt 2.8 amp. So the device is fixed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.